G'day YouTube. Who doesn't love a diesel heater video? So, tonight's trial is vegetable oil and shell light. And shell light's a lighter fluid, petroleum distillates. Shell light smells a lot like wax and grease remover, if you know what that is. Used in the automotive world for painting and stuff like that. So as you can see, heap of dead bugs in the bottom of it. Summer in Australia, so there's plenty of floaty fly and stuff. So most of that, whoa, will be vegetable oil. We'll fire it up. It's on high. It's got diesel in the hose, so it should be enough to get us started. Now, I might have even mentioned it in one of the other diesel heater videos. They're all linked all over the place, and I'll link a few different diesel heater models in the video description. I originally was going to run it straight on shell light. I think it's too flammable. It really goes up. I really wish I had a table to tell me flammable indexes of a few different things, but not something I've researched that much. Hopefully our bugs don't cause us any issues. If we see one going up the pipe, we might have to stop it before it gets to the heater. We've got it heating up. I'll come back to you when the shell light and vegetable oil mix looks like it's all the way up there. Just for interest's sake, someone asked how loud the combustion actually is. Most of that noise there is combustion, and how much difference the exhaust silence makes. So that noise is actually quite annoying, the rumble from the combustion. Ready? We've got the silencer back on. Only so many times I'm going to be able to do this before it's too hot to touch. As you can see, it quietens it down drastically. We're burning on diesel. I'll come back when the oil mixture's made it. We'll go from there. Right then, that air bubble going in there is about the last of the diesel. Everything else is the shell light and vegetable oil mixture. You can hear it rumbling. That's because it hasn't slowed down a single bit. That is burning. Beautiful and hot. And that is shell light and vegetable oil. So I'd say somewhere in the realms of 70% vegetable oil at the moment. There's no smoke or carry on. I'm not sure if it'll start on it. You can really smell vegetable oil. Smells a lot like a fish and chip shop, actually. It's good. Definitely something that would not annoy me. You shouldn't really have the exhaust gases coming straight to you. We are in a wide open shed, so it's not quite so bad, but this is only for a test. We're only going to run that little cup through. I had to take the cup down from the top because it wasn't sucking it up, it was just sucking the bubble. We'll leave that run until that jar's nearly empty, and I'll come back and we'll have a look and make sure it kept going. Alright, so there you go. Sucked all that in. Maybe even a few mosquitoes at the same time. Still running sweet. No liquid gunk coming out of the exhaust muffler, which is really good. Most of that is from when I tried to run it on straight vegetable oil, which went poorly. We just got a big mushroom cloud of stinky fish and chip smell. I'm really happy with that. That's burnt that couple 100ml cup of that with no issues. It smells like fish and chips. It burnt clean the whole time. Plenty of heat coming out, like it doesn't affect the heat output. And we'll call that a win. So that was shell light and vegetable oil in about a 75-25 mix. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. If you want one of these, buy one from the links down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch us. Make it